Technology is rapidly changing every day. New tech companies appear all the time, offering us a wide variety of products that will fit the needs of any shopper. Some of these products are on a whole different level and blow up our minds. Welcome to Live Technology Smart. I am Sadaf and today we'll be looking at 10 new incredible inventions that you should have right now. Starting off with number 1, we have an Enter key button. If you are out there feeling stressed, then check out this unique stress toy that you can find on Amazon. It's the biggest Enter key button you have ever seen. No jokes, it actually really works as an Enter key. It has a button in it. Just plug the USB cable into your computer and it will be recognized as an Enter key. It is made of soft sponge material and acts as a pillow when you need to take a nap or as a stress relief when you're feeling a little overwhelmed. Coming up next on number 2, we have USB Cat Air Humidifier. This cute appearing gadget is 3-in-1. It's a humidifier, has a little fan and a night light. Very simple to operate. Just fill the water tank, connect the USB cable, press the button and choose one of the 2 modes. The moisture lasts 10 to 12 hours. You can also add essential oils for relaxing environment. Also place mini fan or flexible lamp from the kit on top of the kitty's head and enjoy the cozy warm night light and fresh air. Up next on number 3, we have a self-stirring coffee mug. This fun self-stirring coffee mug is a great accessory to have in your kitchen and a perfect gift for coffee lovers. All you need to do is pour in your coffee, hot chocolate or any other drink that needs to be stirred, then press a button located at the top of the hold handle and the little propeller in the bottom of the mug will stir everything quickly and easily. Alright, on number 4 we have LED neck reading light. I found this comfortable, versatile LED neck reading light which is an alternative to cumbersome headlamps. Its universal design fits any size of neck and allows you to position and focus light exactly where you want. It comes with a highly bright LED light on 2 sides of the opening with 3 different color intensities and has a USB rechargeable battery. Simply slip it around your neck and read a book, walk during the night time, repair things or do crafting. Number 5, we have cell phone holder. Okay, I think you will love this gadget as much as I did. This cell phone holder can be strapped around your neck, wrapped around car or bicycle steering wheel. You can even put it on the ground, bed, table or desk. And it can easily be taken anywhere for easy and relaxing phone or tablet viewing experience. It's compatible with all smartphone sizes up to 7 inches and will hold your phone or device in a stable position even with a case on it. This phone holder is equipped with an adjustable cell phone mount that holds the phone at an optimal viewing angle with a 360-degree rotation option. Coming up next on number 6, we have lava lamp. These iconic lava lamps really have taken prettiness and colors to a whole different level. It features a sleek chrome base, a cap, liquid, and a wax that shifts and floats up and down. The gadget heats up with the help of a pre-installed 25-watt incandescent light bulb. Once hot, the wax will rise and fall slowly, gradually changing the color and creating the familiar retro lava effect. This soft-colored light is perfect for relaxing, decoration, and lighting up a party. Coming up next on number 7, we have Gixi Tube Clock. This Gixi Tube Clock is a fun digital clock that displays time using 6 removable glass tubes containing etched acrylic panels lit by multicolor LEDs. The clock uses magnets and probes, allowing you to change each tube depending on your preferences. Gixi Clock comes with 7 modes and 16 million colors. You can power it by using USB port made of aluminum alloy. The outer casing is available in black, red and silver and is suitable for all environments. This unique design and exquisite clock is a great gift choice for your loved ones or just an attractive addition to your work desk, living room, or bedroom. On number 8, we have Sobro Smart Side Table. This high-tech smart side table is designed to live comfortable and a relaxing life. It is equipped with wireless charging pad, thermoelectric cooling drawer, Bluetooth speakers, LED lights, smart sleep app, USB ports, and power outlets. It's so cool that every detail in this smart table is well thought out and practical. The table comes with LED-powered front and back lights. The front light is motion sensitive and the back light illuminates with a full range of colors controlled through the Sobro app. The cooling drawer ensures that the refreshing cool drink is never out of reach. Variety of charging ports allow you to charge phone, laptops, and other mobile devices simultaneously. The built-in Bluetooth speakers seamlessly connect to your devices for a quality sound that is completely integrated with the table. This truly is the ultimate smart side table for a restful night's sleep. Imagine leaving your pots unattended without having to worry about burning your food. This stirring pot utensil will gently stir your stews, soups, sauces, and porridges. Unlike single-arm stirrers, this stirrer has 2 arms for perfect balance and mix-in precisions with 2 self-stirring speeds. This easy-to-use pot accessory is designed for a carefree cooking experience. Just mount the hands-free auto stirrer on pots, pans, or saucepans, adjust the height and width, and let it stir. Number 10, we have Snap Power Outlet. Don't let standard bulky night lights dominate your hallways, bathrooms, or children's bedrooms anymore. The Snap Power Outlet is not just an ordinary accessory. It includes a light bar for an elegant, beautiful pathway light. You can finally use all the outlets in your house. And you don't have to be an electrician to install the light. It is designed for a truly simple, safe solution to the household night light. It doesn't require bracket batteries, mounts, or wires. Just snap it on and go. That is all for today's video. I am going to give the Amazon links of all these gadgets in the description so you can follow them if you would like to purchase any of these gadgets. If you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel to live technology smart.